guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I show you how I deep clean my floors. I do this every Friday, and I have to do it every Friday because I have a dog and I run a home daycare, so the floors get quite messy. I start off by vacuuming my stairs because upstairs I only have carpet, so that's just vacuum. But after I vacuum my stairs, I use the Method Squirt and Mop with the wet cloth and I give it a good cleaning. Once the stairs are done, I move on to vacuuming all my floors downstairs. They're all hard floors, but I start off with vacuuming the little carpet area that I have. It's a rag that I have in my front hallway, as well as mudroom. I just vacuum them up and roll them up and put them on outside. Then I move on to vacuuming all the rest of the floors. So my dog, it's not that he's afraid of it, but he's very uncomfortable whenever I'm vacuuming. I vacuum every single room, give it a really, really good vacuum. Go under the couches, go in all the little nooks and crannies, under the stove, get as far under the fridge as I can. It's just because the hair gets everywhere, and then if you open your windows and the breeze comes through, it just shoots all the hair from underneath the couches onto the floor. So I want to make sure that that's done. Also, before I vacuum my kitchen, I remove all the chairs, all my stools, and I put them on a deck when it's nice outside, or I put them into the family room and vacuum and wash the floor, and then I move them back in. So this is a fairly big job. I don't mind doing it. It's quite the good exercise. So, and this is the one room that gets, I think, the most messiest when it comes to the floor, because this is our family room. This is where we spend all our family time together. So I like to give it a really good vacuum. I use a two-step floor washing system. It's my own system. So first I use my Veleda mop. This is a new one for me that I purchased, about 4 months ago, and I just use really hot water, vinegar, and a lemon essential oil. I'm not an overly huge mop fan, but I was finding that I couldn't get the floors as clean with the steam mop, or it took a lot of elbow grease to get the steam to work well. So what I do is I clean all my floors first with the mop, get all the little stuck on things off, and just give it a really good wash. I like this mop because it wrings it out quite well. It has a little stepping thing that I step on, and it wrings out the mop. So it's a one of the best mops I have used. Once I'm done using it, I wash the little cloth part doesn't come off, but I give it a good wash, and then I air dry it, make sure that it's hanging so it doesn't get too like skunky and stinky. And then once the tile floor is done, I steam mop my laminate floors. I know a lot of people don't like doing this, but I think it works the best. I also run the steam mop over the mopped floor as well, just to give it that extra cleaning, and also because I find that when I'm mopping the floor, I'm spreading the germs. So the steam mop gets it, in my mind, all off. So, well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was motivational, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time on my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out any of my new videos. So until next time, have a wonderful day.